Greetings dear students here at English Talk. Turabashuje mwese banyeshuri bacu kuri English Talk. Welcome back to our channel. Tubahe ikaze nanone kuri iyi channel. Asking you to subscribe if you are new to this channel. Tugusaba gukora subscribe niba uri mushya kuri iyi channel. The lesson of today is to know the difference between and among. So isomo ry'uno munsi ni ukumenya uko dutandukanya between and among. Ijambo between ni preposition na among. Many people confuse the use of them. Abantu bitiranya gukoresha between no gukoresha among. So we now come to help you have the difference. Tuje kugira ngo tubafashe kumenya aho bitandukanira ndetse n'uburyo bikoreshwa. Welcome. Ni karibu. Between means in the middle of two people, two things, two places or two groups. Ni ukuvuga ngo dukoresha between twerekana ikintu kiri hagati y'ibintu bibiri, abantu babiri cyangwa se amatsinda abiri. Mbega turimo turakora location turerekana ikintu giherereye. For example, someone is sitting between two. For example, John sits between Peter and Paul. Tuvuga ngo Yohani yicaye hagati ya Petero na Paul. Examples here. The school is between the church and the market. Ishuri riri hagati y'urusengero n'isoko. She sat between her mother and her father. Yicaye hagati ya mama we na papa we. Choose between tea and coffee. Hitamo hagati y'icyayi n'ikawa. Ubwo uranywa kimwe muri ibyo ngibyo. Among means in the middle of three more people, more things, places or groups. Ni ukuvuga nabwo ni hagati y'ibintu birenze bitatu. Hagati y'abantu barenze batatu, hagati y'amatsinda arenze atatu. Between ni igihe ikintu kimwe kiri hagati y'ibintu bibiri. It is when one is between two things. No, among it is when someone is among three or more things. Ni ukuvuga ngo noneho ikintu kibarizwa hagati y'ibintu birenze bibiri. Sorry. Examples: the teacher walked among the students. Teacher yarimwo agenda mu banyeshuri. Numva abanyeshuri ni benshi. The secret was shared among friends. Ibanga ryakwirakwijwe mu nshuti zinyuranye. Umva, these friends are more than two. Izino nshuti zirenze eshatu. Zirenze ebyiri. Rwanda is among the fastest growing economies in Africa. U Rwanda riri mu bihugu bifite ubukungu bwihuta cyane muri Afurika. Yeah. So I found the lost bag among the boxes in the room. Igikapu twe twabuze nagisanze mu bikarito biri mu cyumba. Then similarities between and among. Aho icyo bihuriyeho between na among bihuriye ku they are both prepositions. Zose ni prepositions. Prepositions aboneka mu Kinyarwanda, you can call them indangahantu. Ushatse kubyita Ikinyarwanda indangahantu. So they are both prepositions. Zose ni prepositions. Both show relationship involving people, things and or places. Zose zerekana nyine isano hagati y'ibintu, hagati y'abantu cyangwa se n'ahantu runaka. So both can mean in the middle of something. In the middle of. Zose zisobanura hagati. Urumva hagati ya. He sat between John and Paul. Urumva yicaye hagati ya Paul. So reka dukoreshe among. He sat among Paul, Peter and James. Yicaye hagati ya Petero, Paul ndetse na na James. James ni Kinyarwanda of James, Yakobo. Yeah, James ni Kinyarwanda is Yakobo. So difference, what the difference between? The difference itandukaniro hagati ya between na among. Between is used with two people or two things. It shows clear separation, yerekana nyine uburyo ibintu bitandukanye. Then specific relationship, ikerekana specific relationship. Noneho among is used with three or more people or things, ikoreshwa werekana ikintu kiri hagati y'ibintu birenze bibiri. General relationship within groups, ikerekana ihuriro ry'ikintu kimwe n'ibindi. For example, John sits among Paul, James and Kabera. Urumva hano turerekana relationship cyangwa se isano iri hagati ya Peter na bariya batatu. Then there are common mistakes some people commit when using between and among. Hari amakosa abantu bakoresha between na among. Let's have some examples. Wrong, which is not correct. Wrong. Nukuvuga ngo urugero tujye gutanga ntabwo ruraba ruri correct, ntabwo ruraba ruriko. Divide money among John and Peter. That's not correct. Amafaranga yagabanye among John and Peter, not correct. The correct way, divide the money between John and Peter. Amafaranga yagabanye Yohani na Petero. Twabonye ko iyo ibintu ari bibi cyangwa se abantu babiri dukoresha between, bivuze ngo rero John and Peter, there we use between. One more example, which is not correct for using between. The teacher walked between students. Teacher yagenze hagati mu banyeshuri. Ntabwo ari byo. You should not use between there. Twabonye ko between ikoreshwa hagati ku kintu kiri hagati y'ibintu bibiri. Then students are more than two. So we better say the teacher walked among students. Teacher yagendagendaga mu banyeshuri. Turakoresha among because we consider students as more people. Nyine abantu barenze babiri. Of course there we use among, not between. Special note, ikintu kimwe twagombye kumenya kuri between na among. Between can sometimes be used with more than two or more for more than two people when each person is considered separately. Tubasha gukoresha between ku bantu barenze babiri iyo dufata buri umwe mu buryo bwihariye. For example, the agreement was made between Rwanda, Kenya, Uganda and Tanzania. Ni ukuvuga ngo amasezerano yabaye hagati y'u Rwanda, u Rwanda rwajyanye amasezerano na Kenya mu buryo bwihariye, u Rwanda rujyana amasezerano na Uganda mu buryo bwihariye, u Rwanda rujyana amasezerano na Tanzania mu buryo bwihariye. Urumva ibihugu ni byinshi ariko buri gihugu cyagiye kidiringa n'ikindi hagati yacyo. So there we use between instead of using among. Exercises, you have to deal with these exercises where you fill with among or between. Uruzuza zino nteruro ukoresheje among cyangwa se between. Fill in the blanks with between or among. The bar is the two chairs. The teacher was standing up the students. Share the cake, gap, John and Mary. She felt comfortable, gap, her friends. The river flows, gap, the two villages. The prizes was divided, gap, the 5 winners. The child sat, gap, his parents. There was discussion, gap, the committee members. Thank you very much for today. We thank you for being with us. We thank you for having subscribed to our channel. Tubashimiye kuba mwakoze subscribe, mugakora like and share. then promising to always give you quality English grammar and vocabulary to improve your English. Tubasezeranya kuzajya tubaha ikibonezamvugo, tubaha amagambo mashya vocabulary kugira ngo icyongereza cyane gikore. Thank you very much. We love you.